So the zucchini loaves went somewhere, didn't they? It took a path. I'm hoping it turns out. But this, I'm gonna nail this. This is lemon loaf. I actually got the recipe. I'm gonna put it down below because it says it's better than Starbucks. And I love Starbucks lemon loaf. So let's do it. Lesson learned from the last loaf that the eggs and sugar get blended together, not you do that. So this is 3 eggs as well, 3 large eggs, 1 cup of sugar, and a half a carton of sour cream. So I have a lemon. Lemon zest is like the peel, which is super gross. Why do you want to put lemon peel? I don't know. I'm gonna follow the ingredients, and I'm just using a grater, because I don't own a zester. From scratch, like a pioneer woman. Why don't you put peels in your loaf? I don't know. So instead of extract, what I'm gonna do is squeeze half a lemon into here, and then save the other half for the glaze. What?
There's seeds.
Is there seeds?
There's got seeds in there, like a lot.
Take the seeds out first. The seeds add extra crunch. No, it's gonna be amazing. Oh, there's some definite seeds in there. Yep. Don't do that. Where's my apron? This is why! Everything has gone badly. Because I wasn't wearing my apron. The apron is gonna, yes, I already feel. You see? That's what I was missing. The key ingredient. And so, I feel one with Martha. Let's 1 1/2 cup. This is why I mean, it's not usually quite so ridiculous, but it's never good. How's that? It's never good, but it always tastes good, but it's never good. Okay, you add the dry to the wet, not with a beater. This is my kind of recipe, just until lightly mixed. I decluttered my loaf pans. This'll work, this'll work. I'm feeling optimistic. I'm definitely allergic to that zucchini I molested earlier. I'm feeling very sneezy. Oh, don't sneeze in the loaf. And then you just spread the top with a spatula for some reason. It said fold it in. I don't know. This oven is so dirty. I mean, so dirty. It's extra flavor. To make the glaze, all right, when you make the glaze, you want a cup powdered sugar. They call it confectioner sugar. I thought it was powdered sugar, but I'm just gonna use this. It's only got flour in it. Oh, always goes everywhere, doesn't it? Like everywhere. And then you squeeze the other half. Take out the seeds, dudes. Or don't, but do it. And then you squeeze this into here, like literally everything's from scratch. Like a real person that knows what they're doing in life. And you want to make sure that your loaf is cool before you spread this over. What I also like to do, it doesn't say this in the recipe, but I'm just going to tell you that this makes it super amazingly more amazing. You're going to grab another bowl, and you're gonna add a half a cup of regular sugar. That's about a cup, half a cup, you know, guess or whatever. If you don't have any lemon left over to squeeze, cheat and use lemon juice. Yes, so this is your glaze that you're gonna put on over. That's gonna give it like that white crusty look. It's delicious though. But this, I want it to be like soupy, syrupy, because what I'm gonna do is poke the top of the lemon loaf when it's still warm with a skewer, and then drizzle this over. So the inside of the lemon loaf is like extra lemony with this like sugar. Oh God, it's diabetes in a bowl, but it's gonna be amazing. Just trust me here. this is what you do. So we have the glaze that you put on immediately when you poke it a lot, so it seeps inside, and then you have the glaze once it's cooled, so it gives it that white crusty look on top. I don't know. The icing, you know what I mean? The icing. If you don't have zucchinis or lemons, or you want something like super basic, or like you think that looked hard, I messed it up and it's still gonna be delicious. I'm gonna show you how to make banana bread. This is my all-time favorite banana bread recipe, except I'm out of loaf pans, so I'm gonna make it in muffin pans. To change a loaf to a muffin, you just half the time. So if it's 60 minutes, it's 30. If it's 40 minutes, it's 20. You know what I'm saying? So that's how you make muffins. So this one I have memorized because I've made it so many times. So it's because literally so many times. It's 1.5 cups of flour, which will just, we guesstimate in this house. It's 1/2 cup of, I'll just use it, oh, it's got some, it's 1/2 cup of brown sugar. That's a little more. Do I pour it back in out of the jar? No, it's extra sugary today because this has flour in it and that would be gross. See, I'm so clean. And it's 1/2 cup of white sugar. So I'm gonna put a little less than 1/2 because I put too much of the other one. And then we're gonna put a teaspoon of baking powder and a teaspoon of baking soda. I go ahead and add a little bit of like allspice and cloves, definitely extra cinnamon. I love nutmeg in here, and then 1/2 cup of butter. 30 seconds, an egg. Look at me go, look at me go. A touch of vanilla extract, like this much or so. 1/2 cup of butter, melted butter. If you want to get really fancy, you can use like heavy cream or that milk that you add vinegar to that goes nasty. People do it. It's supposed to be 2 tablespoons. So like, yes, 2 tablespoons milk. And here's the gross part. You just mix that together and then you add 2 super nasty bananas. Cue super nasty bananas. We let them rot when they get too gross to eat because they make so good banana bread. Oh, I know, but you're good. You're delicious in the banana bread. I'm already feeling like this loaf is gonna save my life, even though this is gonna be muffins. You know what I'm saying? I feel like I got my house is already smelling amazing. I feel like, yes, I've made a huge mess that I have to clean up, but I feel like you have your crap together, Cass. You can make a loaf from scratch. A normal person would start with, but I go one over here and one over here. Who has ADHD? I have ADHD. Cool beans. So this is 20 minutes. 22 minutes. Check it out. Did you doubt me? You doubted me. Let's be honest. Things took a tour during this baking video, but they all turned out awesome. Of course they did, because you cannot mess up loaves. I hope you're feeling inspired to bake your own today. Hey guys, thanks so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. So I posted part 1 of how a loaf can change your life, and I got a lot of messages, concerned messages, that people were wondering if I was high or drunk, on something, going off my meds, I don't know, but I'm perfectly fine. The truth is that's kind of the real me, if I'm being totally honest. When I'm trying to do something that I really suck at, it's calamity hour. I have ADHD. Driving, cooking, baking, all of these things just end in complete disaster, hot mess, Cass. And I also have a potty mouth. I swear like a sailor. I'm trying to hold that in for you. So normal Cass that you see in YouTube videos, she's toned down for your own protection, and so that you still come back and watch it. So I'm sorry I let a little leak out on you the other day. Thanks for still liking me, and I'll see you guys next time.